Welcome to Book Review in a Minute. Today, we're diving into The Investment Checklist, The Art of In-Depth Research by Michael Shearn. This book is a gold mine for anyone serious about investing. Shearn emphasizes the importance of a thorough, methodical approach to investment research. He introduces a comprehensive checklist that guides investors through the essential aspects of evaluating potential investments. The checklist covers various topics such as understanding the business model, assessing financial health, and evaluating management quality. Shearn's approach ensures you leave no stone unturned, helping you make informed, confident investment decisions. One key takeaway is the emphasis on understanding the intrinsic value of a business rather than relying solely on market trends. This book teaches you to think like a savvy investor, focusing on long-term gains. If you're looking to sharpen your investment skills and gain a deeper understanding of the research process, The Investment Checklist is a must-read. Thanks for watching Book Review in a Minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful book reviews.